We all have an idea of our perfect dream home. Maybe it has a modern style, or is on a tree-lined street, or it has a beautiful ocean view with an open-floor kitchen looking at the sunset. But building your home from the ground up can be an intimidating challenge, and without proper help, you might not get what you want. So today on Designing Spaces, we're going to give you some tips on how to find your land, design your house, hire a builder, and furnish your dream home.
Purchasing a home in South Florida was an easy decision for my husband and I. We have 4 children, and the weather here is just unbelievable. As the homeowner, when hiring a builder, I had a unique background because I've helped hundreds of families select builders and build new construction homes. I knew what to look for and what to run from.
Blueprints, permits, orders, designers, architects, builders. Finding the right team is key.
I started Atlantic Home 5 years ago using the basic business model that a single source provider delivers the best customer service possible. The reason we did that is because the owners need to know exactly what's going to happen from the start to the middle and through the finish. Not only are we licensed in architecture, engineering, construction, interior design, and realty, the interior designer manages 100% of the project with the owner.
With a large number of people moving to South Florida, it's getting harder to find a good property.
One of the biggest challenges new home clients face is finding the right property for the house that they want to build on it. We have a vast knowledge of this area. We've been around for a long time. We know what houses will fit on what properties, and we work directly with those clients and push them in the right direction of what to look for.
Finding a property in a red-hot real estate market can be very challenging. And one of the reasons I'm so grateful for finding Atlantic Home is they're an all-in-one service provider.
When you're designing your dream home, you want to make sure you have access to the best resources. Having an architectural 3D modeling and rendering are essential.
A common problem most people have is visualizing the space when they're designing a home. With Atlantic Home's 3D modeling, I was able to visualize my entire project before it ever started.
The benefit of using 3D modeling and renderings is that it allows for a smoother workflow by conveying a more realistic experience.
At Atlantic Home, we use the latest in the state-of-the-art technology for architectural plans, engineering, and 3D renderings to ensure that the client gets exactly what they're looking for.
Technology hasn't just improved the way we visualize our dream home, it's also helped us be more cost-effective and provide an excellent client-designer relationship.
One of the challenges that almost every buyer faces when building a home, especially when they're designing it from scratch, is communication with the builder and what to expect financially. Atlantic Home solved both of these issues for us. They provided excellent communication throughout the entire process and a clear expectation of what to expect financially.
As an entrepreneur running multiple businesses and juggling 4 children, the last thing I needed was another full-time job. I wanted to bring my ideas to the table and hire a team that could execute.
When the client comes to see us, we simply go through the process of drafting it, designing it, and building. At Atlantic Home, we make building simple.
To find out more about how Atlantic can help you handle your next construction or remodeling project, visit AtlanticHomeFL.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.